I was broke, unemployed, and completely alone. No money in my account, no job to wake up to, and no one I could call without feeling like a burden. It wasn't just about the bills. It was about the silence. That quiet, heavy feeling that you've somehow messed up your whole life before it even started. But something shifted. And no, it wasn't magic. It wasn't a lucky break. It was a series of small choices that pulled me out of that hole. One day, $1, one mindset change at a time. And if you're where I was, this video is for you. I remember checking my bank balance and seeing $4.86. Not enough for gas. Not enough for food. Barely enough for a cheap coffee. And I honestly thought about spending it just to feel something. That was my rock bottom. But what came next was the moment I stopped waiting for someone to save me and started rebuilding myself. Step 1, I accepted reality. No more denial. I wrote down every dollar I owed, every subscription draining my account, every mistake I kept avoiding. It was ugly, but it was real. And reality is the only place change can begin. Step 2, I stopped spending like I wasn't broke. I cut everything. Spotify, Netflix, Uber Eats, even deodorant upgrades. Not forever, just until I could breathe again. You can't solve your money problems while pretending you don't have any. Step 3, I found a reason to move again. At first, I just needed a win. So I sold an old backpack for $20. It wasn't much, but it reminded me I could do something. From there, I started picking up small online gigs, surveys, freelance tasks, delivery runs. Every little bit of money helped, but what helped more was this. I stopped sitting in shame. I started moving in purpose. Step 4, I created a survival budget. Not a fancy spreadsheet, just a handwritten plan that said rent first, food second, internet so I could job hunt, and $5 to remind myself I'm still human. Step 5, I built a routine, even without a job. I woke up at the same time. I planned my day like I had a business to run, because discipline creates direction, and direction pulls you out of chaos. Step 6, I got honest with people. I texted 2 friends and said, and that one message reminded me, I wasn't as alone as I thought. Step 7, I started learning instead of scrolling. Every night I watched free content on budgeting, debt, and freelancing. I replaced TikToks with tools, and slowly, things changed. It didn't happen overnight, but it happened. I'm not rich now. I'm not perfect, but I'm stable. I'm wiser. I'm not stuck. And I want you to know something. If you're broke, unemployed, and feel completely alone right now, it's not the end. It might just be your turning point. You don't need to fix your whole life today. Just choose one thing to do differently tomorrow. Sell something. Text someone. Cancel one subscription. Watch one more video like this. Write down your numbers. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to start. Drop a brick emoji in the comments if you're building from the bottom. And if this spoke to you, share it. Someone else might need to hear it today. You're not broken. You're rebuilding. And that changes everything.